Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add a size chart in Wix. So first thing that you do is you just have to log into your Wix account and then select your website. So currently I'm going to use this clothing store as an example. All right, and then once you're here on the editor mode, all you have to do here is to tap on the pages that you can see at the top. That's right. And then I just had to tap on the manage pages. Okay, and then we are going to create a new page right here. That's right. And then I'm just going to use this standard blank page. All right. And then after that, we are going to name this one as a chart size page. Okay. And then I just have to click on enter. Then after that, the next thing that you are going to do here is to upload here your size chart. Alright, so I'm just going to tap on the add element option and then select the image, and then I just have to drag and drop this image right here. And then if you want to expand this image, then I just have to tap on it, and then just have to double tap this one so that you can add here your own element. Okay, so tap on this option right here and then tap on the change media. Okay, and then make sure to upload your own media. Okay, and then upload it from computer. And then you just have to select your size chart. Okay, and then once the image is uploaded, you just have to tap on this change background option. Here, let's go back to our product page. All right, so let me just go back here. And then, for example, we are going to choose a specific product. So what we're going to do is to link the size chart page to that specific product. So for example, this one right here. So first thing that we are going to do is to add a new button. So to do that, just simply tap on this add elements option that you can find here. So just look for the button. So this one. Okay, so once you're done, all you have to do is to rename this button and then place it anywhere. Size chart. All right, and then we are going to choose a link for this button. So make sure to select the page and then which page. So this one right here, and then click on the done option. All right, after that, we are going to preview this edit. Okay, and then we will be directed to our size chart page. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.